Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Thursday, the 8th of May. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own shots. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Okay, what I was saying earlier in the week was that I was expecting to see Bitcoin retest the high, and Bitcoin has retested the high. We've got up to 100. I was saying I still quite liked the target at 101.5. I'm still thinking that may well get made. And we're getting pretty close to that now. I would love to see that made today. Just possible, we get up to this target here at 103.8, but that is looking a little ambitious at this stage. Looking at Solana, we've seen a retest of the, almost seen a retest of the high as well. I'm very doubtful about reaching this minimum double bottom target, even though the double bottom is okay, and the target's only up in the 184 area, and I've got a decent resistance level at 180. I'm still doubtful about saying that. The 200 DMA is at 180.93. What I was saying the other day to Matt was that I was expecting to see a retest of this high here at 156.98, but I was thinking fail any time afterwards. I would like to see it go a little higher, and ideally, where would my target be? Hang on a second, I've got a trend line. Bear with me a moment. This would be the ideal target. Can it reach it? Maybe. I would like to see that reach it. I would like it form a decent looking bear flag, and that would be a very decent looking bear flag. If it was to reach that, that would be up in about the 169 area. I'm a little doubtful about it getting that far, but we will see how that goes. In terms of the an IHS, we haven't got one here really. And I'm not really expecting this to go much higher. I'm thinking that the chances are equity is going to turn, and there's nothing to see at the moment to suggest that these aren't going to turn with them. Ethereum has had a very nice overnight. We've seen a nice increased high here too. At the moment, the RSI 5 sell signal may well be failing. Looking at the one on Bitcoin, that's not close to failing, but the Ethereum one could well fail today. We will see. If so, that wouldn't be particularly bullish, but it would be somewhat encouraging. I was saying that I'd quite like to see the this level here at 2070 tested. I'm still quite liking that. I'm not really expecting to see that form an IHS and then go up, but you never know. I would quite like to see that level tested, but we do have trendline resistance at about the 2000 and change area, and we may well fail there. Could this be a bear flag? Yes, it really could. So we shall see. Anyway, this is encouraging. I was talking about this retest, and we are seeing this retest, so that's encouraging so far as it goes. Are we likely to see a fail on equities here? I'm not seeing any reason to think that we won't get it, and we'll have a pretty nice setup for it, including daily RSI 5 sell signals very shortly, so we will have to see how that goes. We'll see. All right, brilliant. In that case, that's a wrap. I will catch you guys tomorrow.